This really took me by surprise when I saw this pop up on Instagram. I saw this, curious about it, and I recall seeing this pop up. Someone was posting about it on Instagram, and I was curious if one, how good it was going to be, and two, if it was even going to be in my neck of the woods of El Paso. Honestly, I will continue to support Poggers and Rogue Energy to the fullest, but here's the thing. I have no problem tasting other drinks, other brands, other flavors, whether it's Monster, Rockstar, Gatorade, or Prime. Now, there have been some flavors that I liked, and then there were some that were a bit bleh, kind of bland or boring or not all that great. Also, fucking hair looks like shit. Anyways, I was curious about this, especially since it says Sour Nova, so it's like I'm curious what the fuck makes this so sour? Is it even gonna fucking be sour? Is it fucking say it is? I mean, the sour level here doesn't really say much, so I don't know. It's like a part of me feels like it's probably gonna fucking taste like disappointment. I hope it don't, because I fucking love sour stuff. But I don't know. I fuck with how it looks. I like the way it looks and everything. Like the color of it. Like the way the fucking blue and green blends in with the yellow. I like the look of it. But we're not judging by looks. We're judging by taste. So, let's check this out, shall we? But before we get into that, I want you guys to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So I know that you guys want me to do more drink reviews. Because, honestly, I know you guys like it when I fucking review drinks and stuff. So, honestly, be sure to subscribe down below. I'll probably post about this on Instagram and tag Prime into it to let the motherfuckers know, hey, there are other people that still drink this shit. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, It has a Sour Patchy smell to it. It smells Sour Patchy. And I love Sour Patch. Lemon limeish. Oh, definitely takes a little bit of lime in it. Not in a bad way, but like, it's pretty decent. It has a Sour Patch smell to it, but like a lemonade, lemon lime kind of taste to it. I don't know. I mean, it tastes pretty okay. I kind of dig it. I don't know. I guess I expected something a little bit better, I guess I would say. I mean, realistically, I dig it. I mean, it's probably not going to be my go-to flavor. But, I mean, it is tasty. fucking says that there's sour detected in it, but I don't know. I mean, is the sour detectable? No, no. It's tasty, not sour. I mean, I don't know. It's like it tastes more lemonade-y, lemonade-ish. I don't know. I mean, it's tasty. I mean, maybe on a fucking hot ass day, it would be the perfect thing to drink. But I don't know. I don't know. I mean, it's great and everything, but it doesn't really have the the flavor push to it. You know, it's like it's decent, but not that great. It's tasty, but not really like mind-blowingly tasty. You know, like it doesn't taste as bomb as the fucking Rocket Pop or the strawberry banana flavors. You know, it's like those two are my main go-to flavors. I really fuck with those, and it was some other flavor. I can't remember what the fuck it was. I don't know. It was a different flavor, but it was pretty tasty. I kind of digged it, but at the same time, this one, I don't know. It wasn't really all that exciting. You know, it's like I was expecting something better, something like, ooh, that's good. You know, but it's like, but this it tasted, I don't know, not all that great. I don't know, but I guess I would say that this flavor is one thumbs up, not a two. It's a one thumbs up. Tasty, not great. But y'all let me know what you guys think in the comments. See you guys in the next one. And I'm out. Peace.